it's Jane again and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox items from Solemates store. It's an online store. They're selling sneakers from outlets, so you can buy them for a lower price rather than sa mga stores na like Nike and Adidas. So I'm going to show to you this one. It's a Adidas Questa Rise. It's a size men's size 9 shoes. And I also have here a Nike Air Max 270 React. It's for men's size 9 siya, US. You can also buy this sa store ni Solemates. I think around 5,000 lang siya. So if you want, guys, just check them. They have account in Instagram. They also have account in Facebook. And next, I have here, I'm just going to show to you, it's Adidas NMD R1, women's size 7. Yeah, so cute. See. And also, it's an Adidas Ultra Boost and Cage. The color is pink. This is so cute. It's size 6.5 US women. So, I checked this. I-check na ko sa ilahang Instagram. It's around 3,800. So, this is a good, it's a nice shoes and with a good price. And last is, I think this is the here. It's Nike Air Max 270 React, men's size 9.5 here. And also the bags. We have here the blue and the green bags. So that's it, guys. If you want to purchase these items, you can check them at Facebook at soulmates.inc and at Instagram they also have the same account, so check them out, and these are all available sa ilahang store. So thank you, guys, and thank you for watching. Before I forget, guys, those who haven't subscribed yet, please consider yourself subscribing. Follow me on my Instagram account and also at Jane Sia Vlogs. So follow me, guys, and thank you. Bye bye.